values is a must for the nursing world, but they can be tricky to remember right off the bat. Keep in mind that ranges for lab values will slightly vary for every school, and the NCLEX will not ask you a value that will be so close to the normal range for this reason. I'm going to point out a few tricks of mine. Here we go. Chloride, think chlorine in a pool. Usually we like to go in a pool when it's 95 to 105 degrees outside. Bun, I think of buying a 10 to 20 pack of hamburger buns. That's a lot of buns, but you get the idea. Glucose, think sugar and your favorite candy. Mine's M&Ms, and when you love sugar, you'll eat 70 to 100 M&Ms at one time. Calcium, think cal, like call 911 for the 9 to 11 range. And magnesium, I like to think of a magnifying glass that will magnify what you're reading by 1.5 to 2.5. You can also think of a magazine that you would buy for $1.50 to $2.50. Some others I find helpful are hemoglobin and hematocrit. Hemoglobin, think females mature faster than men, so females will be 12 to 16 and males will be 13 to 18. And for hematocrit, think females that are 37 to 47 will date men that are 42 to 52. Some of these you just have to commit to memory, or if you have any tricks, leave them in the comments so we can learn together.